Let's see if we get it. Iron Mountain closed now 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. They expanded the hours. 9 p.m. to 6 a.m. Now there was nobody there during the day. I'm coming back. It's just after 6 p.m. I guess, will I be trapped once I go in? Have they set up the, doesn't look like it. We'll see if anybody's there yet. No reason to show up early. Nighttime work is sneaky anyway. Okay, somebody just turned in, so it is open, but it's not 9 p.m. All right, we got the red light. That was for them, and there's nobody here yet. Okay, but the sign is flashing for tonight. Steve AB4L saying see you in 73. Boy, his headlights were bright.